Hello guys, my name is Temidayo Omoniyi. I'm a data analyst for UrBizEdge. For today's section, we'll be taking Excel flash fill. So the flash fill in Excel automatically fills data when it senses there is a pattern. So to use your Excel flash fill, firstly you need to activate the Excel flash fill features. So how do you go about it? First step, you go to your file, click on file, you go to options, you go to advanced, then you can see automatically flash fill. When you click on automatically flash fill, you now click OK and then you reset your computer. So after that, let's just work on some projects here. If I was going to do this normally, I would have done text to column, right, to split it in between columns. But for this, let's say I type in Tunde, right, press enter, then I drag it down. As it's showing all Tundes, right? So what I need to do now, I need to do a flash fill. I do flash fill. Everything changes. You can see that, right? Let me say if I press show, if I type in show now, show, I press enter. If I select all like this, I go to home. If I go to fill here, you see flash fill over here also. You can also flash fill. But that's actually a longer method. Let's make it faster for us. There's actually a short key for flash fill. Let me type in Tunde now. Enter. And I press Ctrl E. You can see that. Voila, so fast. Share one, enter, Ctrl E. So let's do some initials. I only want the initials, right? That's TS. Press Ctrl E. Cool. Let me make an email, a customized email here. I press Ctrl E. I type in Ctrl E. So proper. Let's make it all the first letter start with a capital letter. That's Tunde, capital letter. Tunde. Shown, right? Ctrl E. You can see how fast this is. So the country code of my country, Nigeria, is +234. So let's make it like let's make it a little bit local. Let's say 08 089 30 15 27 23, right? Enter. You can see everything filled in automatically, right? Let's go to the years now. Let's say year is 2021. Enter. Ctrl E. Month is December, right? December. Ctrl E. Day is Monday here, right? Everything should be Monday. So let's look at this one. This one normally, if you want to do this in the old fashion, you would have said equals to left, right? Left of the matric number, comma, how many characters? That's 3 characters. Then you just drag down here. For the year now, for the year now, you say equals to mid. This one should be mid. Mid, a text starting from 5, how many characters? 2. Enter. Oh, there's a text, so let's change this to general. Come here, change to general. So now let me write this all over again. Say equals to mid text 5, so enter. You can see, right? And the right should be write this 4. But this method is actually a longer process. But this is how we usually do it, old version way. So let's make it a little bit more faster using a flash fill. So if I say EEE, right? Ctrl E. If I say, let me make this now all text, so the zeros won't leave the place. Text. So if I say 04, enter, Ctrl E, everything is filled up. For right type 2995, enter, Ctrl E. So you can see with this flash fill just makes the work so fast. It saves you so many times, so many seconds, so many minutes you should have spent. So I hope you guys learned a lot. This video is brought to you by UrBizEdge. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have fun, guys. Bye.